Mà ép mò đây. Đây. Cái ôm bao mò ấy. Nhãn thoải con này. Nè. Nè. Đập thẻ lấy chừng. Nhãn chắc thôi.
If you keep your eyes straight, you'll be able to see the rest of the red deer hanging out among the trees. Seems two of them are running around.
Wow, you're gonna come into the train! It's that deal! I'm so happy.
No idea.
Cầm bữa ham kênh từng.
I'm so happy.
Nhất lên.
The geese.
Đây. Được.
Baby one. Oh, wait, no, those are just big ones. One lane ahead.
Cái phụ dạ, bởi dặn này,
That'll be good as
A little less history about Bushland for you. August 15th, enjoyed the country lifestyle. When he purchased land for Grant's farm in 1903, he and his family lived at their home in the city near the brewery. Back then, that was about a day-long journey by electron carriage.
To mimic, but birds actually can't produce their own words and sounds like we can. Instead, they have to pick up on different things in their environment, and they're very, very good at doing that. Now, Lou right here is our 29-year-old scarlet macaw, and he's one of the more vocal birds we have here at the farm. He's been working on some cool new behaviors he thought he might like to show off for all of you. So, would you like to hear him? He'll be excited. Look how excited he is about that. Oh my gosh. All right, well, Lou loves Western movies, so he's been practicing what he would say to a rancher if he ever met one. Lou, how do you say hi to a cowboy? Howdy, howdy, nice job. That was very crisp and good. That was loud too. I'm proud of you, buddy. You said, I know exactly what to say there. Now, being as we're in St. Louis, we all know we have a huge love for our hometown sports teams, right? I know I do. Yes, okay, we got some sports lovers out there. Now, Lou also enjoys sports, but he tends to prefer them a little bit more individual, like golf. Lou, what do you say when you hit a ball off a tee? 4, good job. Very proud of you. Now, don't worry, he likes other sports too, not just golf. He does enjoy baseball. There is just one team he's not really a big fan of, and I think you'll see why here in a second. Lou, do you like the Cubs? Nope, I didn't think so. Nice work there. He was a little bit nervous to tell us that, but I said, we're in St. Louis. It's gonna be okay. No one's gonna judge you for that. Now, another thing that he likes to do is greet us when we acknowledge him. So we've been working on a real particular greeting. I'd like to see if I can.
Vui. Lên đó cái đường. Vui rồi.
They can smell really deep into the ground, and they were actually used as mushroom hunters, mainly known as truffle hunters. So they would dig their nose into the ground, searching for different types of mushrooms, which is really, really cool. Now, a lot of people think pigs are really dirty animals. Proving that actually couldn't be any further from the truth. They're super clean, clear, keeping themselves away from their sleeping and eating areas. Now, with Tucker over here, he's trying to show us off today how we can do our part in keeping his areas clean from any debris or trash so he can continue to stick his nose into the ground and also wallow in some mud. It might take him a second. Guys, instead of bang it on the ground. Oh yeah, it's the good stuff right there.
Mi khắp em vậy đây.
That's one thing that people think, okay, pigs are dirty because they like to wallow in mud. That's actually extremely helpful to Tucker over here. So it helps him with keep his skin nice and moisturized. It's also used as a sun protectant as well as a bug repellent, so your such a bummer. Tucker's got one more left. He's got to recycle all of his cans, and he's very good at it. Sometimes he's a little aggressive with it. Let's see. Gotta play with it first. He's very passionate. You got it, Tucker. There we go. You guys can cheer him on. Yes. You just littered. I don't think we're supposed to litter, but I can type. All right. Well, also, people think that pigs are very slow and lazy, but cat is going to prove that was wrong.
Mẹ mì bưng kem.
There we go. Now you can see that pigs are actually super duper fast. All right. Good. That's the energy I like to hear. So my name is Mackenzie. I'll be one of your hosts for today's animal education show. Now I'm so glad all of you guys come out today on a clear, beautiful day here at Jrai Farm and Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day, guys. Now, are you guys excited to see the show? Okay, that's the energy I like to hear. I would love to start the show as well. The only thing is, if I did it by myself, it'd probably be a hot mess out here, if I'm being honest. I'd be stumbling on my own feet. So I'm going to need your guys' help to introduce one of my colleagues. Everyone say hi, Kat.
Hi, Kat.
Okay, this is awkward. Okay, maybe we can do it one more time on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Kat.
Usually she comes out when I say it the second time. Okay, maybe she's taking a nap backstage. Kat, are you back here? No. I don't know. Maybe it's like for hide and seek as well. So maybe she's hiding in here. Kat?
Oh.
I don't think that's Kat. I think those are ducks. Hey Matt, were you looking for me? I was looking for you, but I found these things. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh, I need runner ducks. Aren't they adorable? Oh, they're so cute. See how they stand upright and hold their heads up high? That allows them to walk like super fast without waddling. Oh my goodness, look at them eating at that. Their wings are pretty small for their bodies though, so they can't fly, but I like how they all seem to kind of want to stay together. And those things are pretty easy to herd, right? Well, I hope they're
Cái mì thế này này nó
You know what, you're right. I'm going to let you handle that situation. I want to say hi to all my friends out here. So hey, everybody.
Hi.
Hey. My name's Kat. I'm one of the animal caregivers here at Jrai Farm, and I'm very, very excited to be up here with all of you today. We really appreciate you taking the time to come out and see us. I think we're going to have a lot of fun if Mackenzie can get the ducks stuck. I'm getting somewhere. Do you want to help me? One sec. We got to get our ducks in a row here. Oh, my goodness. All right, pals. We have a nice swimming pool waiting on you. Doesn't that sound good? Come on, little duckies. You can do it. Come on, little duckies. Okay.
Bữa đây này này. Mẹ đi hả? It's okay. Mm.